Have you ever wondered what happens inside an AI when you type a prompt? This video will explain the process that turns your words into AI's output. Every second, millions of people interact with AI by typing prompts like, "How does artificial intelligence work?" The key is that AI doesn't read words. It converts your prompt into numbers and processes those numbers, since computers only understand numerical data. Every prompt travels through the 4 stages of the AI pipeline: tokenize, embed, transform, and predict. Let's walk through each stage. Stage 1 is tokenization, which involves breaking words into smaller pieces called tokens. The tokenizer splits your input sentence into tokens. Each token is then assigned a unique token ID from the model's vocabulary. The model's vocabulary is a dictionary of about 50,000 tokens it knows. A token is roughly equivalent to 3/4 of a word. The second stage is embedding. This turns the token IDs into vectors. The token ID is mapped to a vector, which is a list of 4,096 numbers. These numbers capture the meaning of the token in multiple dimensions. In this vector space, words with similar meanings are located near each other, forming clusters like animals, AI concepts, or food. The third stage is the transformer, which is considered the brain of modern AI. The vectors flow through a stack of 32 identical transformer layers from top to bottom. Each layer refines the vector at every step, using self-attention and feed-forward mechanisms. Within one layer, 2 main operations occur. The self-attention step determines which other tokens to look at. The feed-forward step refines the vector's meaning. This process is repeated 32 times. The self-attention mechanism, the focus of the next step, is how tokens look at each other. Attention weights determine how much the model should look at every other token when processing a specific focus token. For SAT, the model pays the most attention to cat and mat. Attention is computed using 3 projections of each vector: query, key, and value. The attention equation uses these to calculate the weights, determining relevance. Models use multi-head attention, employing 32 attention heads in parallel. Each head focuses on different patterns and relationships, such as grammar, word meaning, and style. The 5th stage is predicting the next word. After passing through the transformer layers, the model outputs 50,000 probabilities, one for every word in the vocabulary. For the prompt, "The capital of France is," the model calculates probabilities for possible next words. Paris has the highest probability, making it the selected next token. This begins the generation loop. The predicted word is added to the prompt, and the model runs again to predict the next word, repeating until an end-of-text token is generated. Behind every response is enormous computation. A complex model like this, with 175 billion parameters and 32 layers, performs billions of operations in 1 second to generate an answer. The full journey is a continuous cycle. Words turn into numbers, then vectors, which are transformed through 32 layers of attention and feed forward, and finally, output as new words. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, consider subscribing for more AI explainers every week.